France has in unprecedented move called for a total media blackout in what many say is an attempt to save her image from damages caused upon her former colony Mali. The ban on the media comes as the International Federation for Human Rights issue a damning report accusing both the French and Malian troops of gross human rights violation. In a meeting called to sensitize local journalists about the war in the north, Malian army introduced what they called a rule of engagement for any journalists wishing to cover the war in the north.
When a journalist go in a field, the journalist can know some information about operational security, about security, and about everything which they have to do or not to do. For that, we're telling a journalist, we discuss about some kind of information, operational information.
Analysts in the Malian capital Bamako say the media blackout could be linked to reports of grave human rights violation by the ground troops as echoed by the International Federation for Human Rights. According to the Federation, some people have been killed only for failure to carry valid identification documents, an accusation Malian authorities have denied.
It's not like just going in a period of peace. Now we are in war, so we will be very close from the soldiers, from war, from the field of war. So we have to explain them some guidelines.
According to Malian military, most of the journalists have to be trained about what happens in the battlefield before they can access the area that is currently being controlled by the anti-government forces. The International Federation for Human Rights says over 20 people have so far been executed in the northern town of Sévaré, with more reports of execution reported in the towns of Niono and Mopti. Meanwhile, Burkina Faso has also joined in the conflict, deploying a contingent of 160 soldiers in the northern town of Makala. Daniel Arab Moy, Press TV, Bamako, Mali.